In today's video, I will show you how to extract any 7Z file to get the playable ISO file on any Android device. Now simply open your Play Store app and then search for zarchiver. Now simply install this app to your device because you are going to be needing it for the extraction process. Now once installed, simply open the app and then locate your 7Z game file. Now my game file is in the download section, so you can see a game in here. It's actually a 7Z file. You can see that. So in order for you to extract the ISO file within it, all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, select extract here, and it's going to start extracting the ISO file. So you just have to wait for it to finish the extraction process. Now once it's done extracting, you can see that the ISO file is now here and is ready to play. So all you have to do is now hold down on the ISO file, click on cut, and then you can easily go and place this ISO file in any place or any folder that you want to actually use it on. So this is the simplest way for you to actually extract any 7Z file and get the ISO file that is within it. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.